back to another one. So on this one, still we're gonna be working under here. I don't know if you guys remember on one of the first videos, it was leaking oil. It's coming from there. I guess the O-ring got old and it's leaking a bunch of power steering. So we're gonna fix that on this one today. Alright guys, so quick trip to O'Reilly's later and should be set. We got brake pads. So we're gonna do this first and then change the belt and then get to the brake pads. So yeah guys, hopefully the O-ring will fit in there. If not, then well, I don't know. So yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, I got the hose off and as you can see the O-ring's a little bit flat. So hopefully that's the issue and not this one. I think that one's the issue. And that one's a really hard plastic, so I don't know if you can take that one off. But I'm gonna take this one off and see if that'll stop it from leaking. So yeah. Put the O-rings here and man, hopefully it does something. So yeah. Alright guys, so the leak's gone. It just has a little bit of residual there, but turn it on, turn the steering wheel, make pressure, and it didn't leak. So that, all that is just from whenever I opened up the hose. But yeah, it didn't stop leaking. It didn't keep leaking. So, and this is what I got, and I believe this is the one that I put on. So 9/16. It's just a regular kit from O'Reilly's. So yeah, it did the trick for now. So hopefully it lasts. So now we gotta do the serpentine belt and then we get to the brake pads. So yeah, let's try to get that on. Alright guys, so the new belt's in, and since I didn't take a picture, I had a little bit of fun with it. So how I would advise it is go through your passenger side and run the belt over the crank pulley, and then bring it over and run it over the water pump, and then onto the AC compressor, up the power steering, and then just leave it there because you'll have to decompress your tensioner. So while it's over here, just run it down through the pump and then up to the alternator, and then you'll have like a little bit of slack here. So just use your 3/8 ratchet and just bring up your tensioner pulley, and that should be it. Because I think the way they had it routed, it wasn't the right way that I remember. But well, it's got a new belt now, so. But yeah, yours may be different in the 5/0s, 5/8s. So just take a picture, because you never know. And then, or because sometimes you don't have these. So yeah. So yeah, she's on there. Now I'm gonna do the brake pads. So yeah guys, she has a new belt. So let's get onto the brake pads, and I think that should be all for this video. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got the wheel off, and now just gotta take off the two 13mm and take the caliper off. And we got some power stop evolutions. So yeah, we got the hardware and everything. So those are the little boots, and the hardware for the pads, these right here, and then the grease. So look at that. carbon fiber ceramic pads. Man, it's got better pads than my Cummins. But yeah, let's take that off, and then I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit, and then yeah, put it back together. All right guys, the bolts are off and the caliper's pretty good in there. So what you want to do is stick a screwdriver and decompress it. Just be careful not to mess up the rotor, because I didn't get rotors for this one. So I mean, they're not in too bad a shape, but it will get them in the future though. So for now it's just gonna be pads. Yeah, as you can see, it's getting loose. So just keep going, and yeah, I don't know if you can see too well, but yeah, just put it between the if you can, between the rotor, and as you can see, they're a little bit rusted. So yeah, and that's pretty much all you gotta do. So I'll put it back here, and look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to clean up all this and then put on the new ones. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so got all that cleaned up with the little wire wheel. Got the hardware put on there, and then right now just use the brake pad and then to push in your piston. And oh, we're gonna swap these out too. So yeah, I'll do that right now. And these just they come off, they're gonna get damaged, but we have the new ones there. And then yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of grease so the pins can slide, and we'll be done for this side. So yeah guys, it's almost there. Alright guys, so it's all put back together. Don't forget to grease your pins, and that's it for this side. And as you can see, when I loosened up the hose for the power steering, it leaked out a bunch of fluid, so I gotta clean that up. But got the brakes ready to go. So now we go to the next side. So yeah, put this back on and let's get ready to go on that side. Alright guys, we're on the passenger side now. So you can see it's all rusty, dirty, but we got all the good stuff over there. So yeah, let's get to it. And there we have it, all ready to go. Hardware's in, grease, pads. So yeah, she's ready to go. I'm gonna take her to my dad's. Hopefully she makes it, and well, if anything happens, I'll just keep you guys updated. So let's put her back together, and she'll be ready. So let's go. Alright guys, so she's ready to go. As you can see, I pulled off the body kit since it's over there, but I'm gonna start fixing it. So yeah, she looks a little weird, so yeah, it's going back on definitely, but it don't look too bad. Brakes are done, and the O-ring did leak, so I think it was too skinny and then didn't cover up the hole like it was, so it weeps a little bit, not a lot. So yeah, we'll probably get to that. So yeah, she's ready to go. And on the fiberglass, all that, I was just waiting for it to stop raining because I didn't want the body filler to soak up any water. So it shouldn't be raining anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish it. And it might ride around like this without the body kit for a while, so yeah, I'll try to get it done as soon as I can. But at least she's I can drive her now. So brakes are good, just gotta get the O-ring built good, and yeah, she's ready. So I think this is gonna be it for this one, guys. So stay tuned for the one that's coming up, and remember, like and subscribe. And that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and for the subscribers, I really appreciate it. It's helping a lot. So yeah, thank you guys a lot. So for now, this is it, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys.